How about the shape? Wow, shapes. Rectangle, triangle, square, circle. What is this? Shapes. Get the teacher basket. Wow. Shake, shake, shake. Mix, mix, mix the shapes. Here you go. Circle. Okay, very good. Square. Next. Triangle. Okay, next one. Very good. What's that? Triangle. Rectangle. Square. Triangle. Square and circle. High five again. High five. Yay! Next. Wow, it's up. Oink, oink, oink. It's up. Okay, going gonna insert all the coins inside, okay? Get one and insert the coins. Very good. Insert. Color blue. Next one. Red. Next. What's that? Blue. Yellow. Green. Go, go, go. Green. Blue. Green. Red. Next. Red. Insert. Blue. Yes, blue. Color. Yellow. Green. And color blue. Very good. Push. Push, push, push. Very good. Next one. So, then. Next. Very good. Next one. Almost done. Go, go, go. And last one. Color yellow. High five. Okay. Put natin. Put that inside the basket. Next. Put inside the basket. Inside the basket. Next. Next. Here. Green. Next. Oh, this one, this side. Oh, go up here. Go, here, go. Here. Oh, stand up na, stand up. Mag-jump tayo, right? Go jump. 1 to 10. You can do it.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, ano? Happy birthday. Come on, stand up, stand up. Go, hurry, stand up. Stand up. Yeah. Jump on the Go, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, finish. Okay. Let me fish. Yay! Next. Jump. Yay! Go jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Jumpy. 1, 2, 3. Here, shoot mo si fish. 4. Slowly, yay! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, get another fish. Get another fish. Get another one. Go. What number? Number 4. Jump 4 times. Yay! Let's go jump 4. Let's go jump now 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, get another one. Get another fish. Jump. Which one? What number? 15. Wow, dami ah. Yay! 15 ba? Ano ba? Number 10. Let's go jump 10 times. Jump 1. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Oh, see? Last one. Last one. Number 1. How about number? What's that? 7. Okay. Shoot mo, shoot. Go, shoot. This one. Later pa tayo mag-jump. O, go. Shoot mo this one. 7. Yay! Oh, let's go jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. Give mo na si teacher na high five. High five mo na si teacher. High five. High five. High five, teacher. Okay. It's a trampoline. Come on here. Go. Come on here. Come on. Hurry. Come here. Go here. Come here. Go bounce, 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 bounce. Come on. Sit down ka dito. Oh. Yeah. Very good. Come on. Help the teacher. Oh. Help the teacher. Come here. Ate, let's go. Ate Hazel. Up here. Go. Up mo. Feet. Put mo. Let's go. We're gonna do this one. Oh, come here. Come here. Go up here. Go sit down. Sige, go. Sit. Yeah. Oh, sit ka na properly. Yes. Oh. Sige, dito ka sa side. Oh, dito ka sa side, teacher. Sige, wait. Sige, it's okay. Come on, dito ka sa side. Dito ka na kay teacher. Yeah, go, shoot. Get mo po, get. Flower, yes. Next. Get. Shoot the flower. Orange. Green. Orange. Insert. Green. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Trampoline. Go. Pink. What's that? Green flower. Next one. Go, go, go. Almost done. Go, go, go. And last one. High five. High five. What is this? It's a fish. It's a fish. Yay! Fish. Bounce, 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 bounce. Okay, natin yung fish. Wow! Number fish. Wow! Number fish. Yes. Put mo yung fish ha. Look at the numbers. Look at the numbers. What? Why? Where are you going? Ano po yun? What? Alin? This what? Ba? Oh, sit down. Go back here. Come back here. Here. Sure. Sit ka ng properly. Sit properly. Ayusin mo na yung upo mo. Ayos mo na yung upo. Hiya. Upo na maayos. Yes, sit properly ka. Oh. What number is that? Oh, yung look mo. Saan yan? Okay, next. Where? Get ka dito, ha? Oh, where is it? Number? Where? Number 5. Where's number 5? At put na. 1. Number 1 na. 1. Next, number 2. 2. Where's number 2? 2. Next, number 3. Number 3, Hazen, go. Nandito, oh. 4. Number 4. 4. Number 4. Where's number 4? Ay, i-get na natin and then put it here. 5. Number 5. Where's number 5? 5. Next, number 6. Hazen, 6. Where is number 6? Put it here. 7. Orange. 7. Put it here. 7. 7. Next, 8. Yellow 8. Yellow 8. 8. Yellow. Number 8 daw. Where's number 8? Hazen, number 8. Yellow. Yellow, number 8. 8. Next, 9. 9. Number 9. Where's number 9? 9. Good. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. And 15. Okay, finish. High five teacher first. Give mo muna sa teacher ng high five. High five teacher. High five teacher first. Listen to teacher. Ayusin ko yung high five. Ayusin. Go, high five. High five? Ayusin mo. Ganyan o. Go. High five teacher. Yun. Okay.